Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Maya. I am a media student. So today I am going to talk to you about my new college. It's been a month now since I started. I am really enjoying it, and I kind of just want to tell you, what I've been getting up to, because it's been a month since I even posted on here. If you follow my Instagram, you can see the kind of stuff that I get up to on a day-to-day basis now. So the aim of this video is basically to tell you a bit more about life for me now. It's completely different, completely amazing in every way, shape or form. As of now, I am really enjoying my college. I think it's the best place in the universe. I have nothing bad to say about it. I found what I wanted to do, and the fact that I'm actively, going for it, chasing that dream of mine. So I've been attending the Global Academy for about a month now. I am learning more now in the way that I want to learn, in the way that is best suited to me, rather than having to learn from a textbook or having to learn from a lecture. And I think that I finally found a place where that is kind of accepted and nurtured rather than pushed down. I like how small the school is. So the school only has around 300 students. I hope that's right. Around 300. I came from a school that has around 1,800. So it is very foreign to me. Surprisingly, I don't know everyone there. I knew 1,800 people approximately at my old school. But here, when there's only 300 students, it's actually very difficult to kind of know everyone. And I think that's because my class for audio, digital, visual and enterprise are all the same. So I'm never really socialising with different people. And in a way, that's kind of a good thing, because you can really build up bonds. People in my class have seen me very vulnerable, walking around the school like an absolute idiot for, say, a sci-fi film. It's not foreign to see someone with a massive camera and technical equipment filming something in the corridor, whereas anywhere else it would be kind of strange. But when you're at Global, that's part of the course. Everybody in the school does media, so everyone's understanding, people want to get involved, people don't shy away from that kind of opportunity. Talking about opportunities, I kind of want to go through kind of a list of things that I have done since joining Global. First of all, I have joined the Youth's Choice social media team for Instagram. There's about 4 of us, and we are working super hard to post out good quality content for you guys to see. If anyone doesn't know, Youth's Choice is the school's kind of brand. There's a radio station, there's TV, YouTube, and now social media. I'm in the social media segment, and so far so good. Last Friday, I had the amazing opportunity to pitch one of my advertising ideas to a major CEO of a media and marketing company. I was so terrified, but I think I did a good job. It was just an amazing experience, and I also found out on that day which kind of agency I want to go and work for, which was super amazing. Within the school, I've had talks, kind of like TED Talks a little bit, from people who are in the industry. I won't say the names because there are too many to kind of list at the moment, but they've all been seriously inspiring, because on a Friday morning, you're tired, but we have this thing called Team Meet. Everyone gets together and we just kind of get inspired and kind of refocus ourselves. This Friday, I am so happy to say that I get to go to Global's Make Some Noise up in Leicester Square. I am very excited. I just love being a part of Global, because you get all these amazing opportunities that you wouldn't find anywhere else. About 2 Thursdays ago, 2 presenters from Capital Extra, Robert Bruce and Tony Phillips, came down to the school to produce a live kind of radio broadcast from one of our studios. We had an exclusive party with them, and that was very interesting. I got to talk to them, I got to socialise, I got to network. It was overall an amazing experience for me. So yeah, in class we've been learning all about, different aspects of the media. We're kind of using this time to build up our skills so that when we get to our final major projects, we know exactly what we're doing. Everyone there at the academy is so sweet, and I finally feel like I fit in somewhere. At my old place, I clearly did not fit in at all. People there were very academic minded, and me being a creative, I was often, kind of overlooked, classed as, the dumb one, the one who has like wacky ideas. And I think now I can say those wacky ideas and then be kind of taken on board. So it's completely foreign to me still. The place that I went to before, there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. I respect it so much. But at the same time, I feel like if I'd stayed, I wouldn't be as happy as I am now, because I would still feel like I'm being squashed and my views aren't being heard. I'm at a place now where, you know, my creativity can kind of be let loose, as is everyone else. You know, you can really connect to people, because everyone in the school, we love media, so we have that initial love for media that we can all bond over. So everyone is very friendly, everyone understands everyone's ideas, concepts, and it's amazing. So yeah, that is an update about me, I guess. I'm so happy. Please like, comment and subscribe. Also share this video with everyone you know, and I will see you all later. Goodbye.